So good morning friends. In previous topic we have seen how to change positive degree into comparative and comparative degree into positive. Now today in part 2 we are going to see how superlative degree can be changed into positive and comparative degree. Now what you can see, right, in first type, basically superlative degree can be changed into positive and comparative degree depending on the type of the sentence we are having. Presently what we are going to see, if the superlative degree sentence is in this particular form, basically you can see the superlative degree form, understand? So this particular sentence can be changed into positive degree in this form. Let us see how it is going to change. Let us first we will see how is the superlative degree sentence construction. Let us see subject plus verb plus the plus superlative degree plus object. Now if your sentence is in this form, you can change that particular sentence into positive degree in this particular format. Now let us see how we are going to change into the positive degree. We have to begin the sentence with no other plus object plus verb plus as plus positive degree plus as plus subject. Means we are going to change the superlative degree and we are going to write as plus positive degree plus as plus subject. Now let us see the construction, how we are going to change that particular superlative degree sentence into comparative degree. Now let us see how we are going to change. Yes, subject plus verb plus, we will remove the superlative degree, then we will write comparative degree plus than, and along with then after that we will take any other plus object. So in this way we are going to change superlative degree into positive and positive degree into comparative. Now what is the most important thing to understand from this construction is that what we can understand, we can use these constructions interchanging, right? Means what we can do, if the positive sentence construction is in this form, we can change that positive sentence construction into superlative degree sentence construction in this form. Similarly, that particular positive degree sentence can be changed into comparative degree form, right? Suppose you got the comparative degree sentence in this form and if they ask you to change it into superlative degree, then what you can do, you can change that particular sentence into superlative degree in this form. Similarly, you can change that comparative degree sentence into positive degree in this form. Means what I am going to say is that these all the three constructions can be interchanged and used according to the need. So let us see first of all what we are going to see. Example number 1, we are going to see Mumbai is the most populated city in India. Yes. Now here the degree of comparison, the most populated, it is your superlative degree. Now what is your subject? Subject is Mumbai. Subject is Mumbai. Is your verb. This is what is your superlative degree and this is what is your object, right? After that particular superlative degree part, we can take it as a object. Now according to the construction, what we can see, if you want to change into the positive degree, let's take the use of this construction and let us see how the sentence is going to change. Yes, we have to begin with the sentence with no other. With no other we are going to take object. Now what is your object? City in India. So we have taken city in India. Then we have to take verb. So we have taken verb. What is your verb? Verb is. Then what we have to see, we have changed the superlative degree into positive degree. Naturally we know how to write the positive degree as populated as. The most populated will change into as populated as. So this will change, it is the positive degree, and at the end we are going to take the subject. So if you see the construction, this sentence exactly match into the construction. So what is the positive degree of this sentence? No other city in India is as populated as Mumbai. Now let's move towards the comparative degree, right? We are going to change this sentence into comparative degree. Now let us see how we are going to change the comparative degree. right? See, in the beginning we need subject. What is our subject? Subject is Mumbai. We have taken Mumbai. Then we need verb. We have taken verb is. Now the superlative degree, the most populated is the superlative degree. Now we need comparative degree. We know the most populated degree, the comparative degree of most populated degree is more populated. So we have taken more populated. We know with comparative degree we need than, so we have taken than. And again with than, what we have taken? We have taken any other. And with any other we have taken the object, and the object part is city in India. So the comparative sentence is Mumbai is more populated than any other city in India. What you can experience that it is not that much difficult if we understand the constructions, right? If we are able to identify subject, verb, degree of comparison and object, right? And if we keep the constructions in our mind, we can easily interchange superlative degree into positive and positive degree into comparative, or you can say superlative degree into comparative. Either you can interchange the constructions as per the need, as per the instructions you may get in your examination. One more sentence, let us see. The nearest airport is Aurangabad. But in this sentence, what you can see, this sentence does not exactly fit into the construction. In this sentence, what we can see, the nearest airport, the nearest, this particular is your superlative degree. It comes in the beginning, right? So far, if we think about this particular sentence, the subject is the nearest airport. Is your verb and Aurangabad is your object. Yes, that is the fact about this sentence. But if we want to adjust this sentence into our construction, then what we will see, let us concentrate on the verb. If the sentence begin with superlative degree, then what you can adjust, the part which is after verb, you can take it as a subject. So let us take it as a subject, and the thing between the verb and the superlative degree, that remaining part you can take it as a object. Actually, according to construction, it is not there, but we have done this adjustment for the sake of our construction. So if we want to read this sentence according to our construction, let us read. What is your subject? Aurangabad. What is your verb? Is the nearest airport. No problem, right? Almost it is same, meaning is same, only the way of writing is different. But anyhow, so now if you want to change this sentence into positive degree, there is no another way for changing into positive degree. We have to use the same construction. So our sentence will begin with no other airport, no other object is your airport is as near as, means the nearest is superlative degree, it will change in positive degree as near as. And what is your subject? Subject is your Aurangabad. Again, let us change this sentence into the comparative degree. Now let us see the comparative degree. What we will understand? Yes, what is your subject? Because in the comparative degree we need subject. So what is your subject? Aurangabad. Aurangabad is, now superlative degree is the nearest. This article we are going to use only with superlative degree. So naturally we are going to remove this article when we are going to write positive or comparative degree. Now in comparative degree sentence, we have to take the comparative form of this word. Now the nearest is superlative degree. What is the comparative degree of nearest? That is nearer. And we know along with the comparative degree we write than. So we have written nearer than. Then according to the construction we need any other airport. So in this way we can change the sentence into positive and comparative degree if the sentence is given in the superlative construction. Yes, so generally this is the construction of superlative, positive and comparative degree. Understand? While interchanging these sentences, this construction we can understand. Only what we have to think, we have to focus on this particular construction, on this particular pattern of superlative degree. If this particular pattern, the superlative degree comes, then we are going to write in this way. But so far, if you see these constructions, there are many confusing constructions also there. Actually, we can't call it a confusing, but in examination, they may ask you in a different mode.